Alright, hey yo. We are out duck hunting on another managed area. Only duck hunting, so I don't have to worry about getting shot in the face. By myself, we got a good draw. Only problem is, I don't know what I'm doing. So, yeah, typically these spots are pretty hot, but like, there's no real open water pockets to throw some ducks in with moving water. Except for right on the dikes. So typically birds don't want to land like right next to a dike. So yeah, I put some birds down there, just get some movement, and then I just got a pile of static ducks in front of me. I really need a jerk cord, which I don't have. I normally don't need them because whoever I hunt with has them. But here we are, without any motion. Picked a good spot. Now we're screwed. Got one hen that we busted when we came in. So that's cool. Oh fuck. Really? God damn it. As you can see, there's no real open spot with the shit, except right there. There's a dike right there. So originally, I was saying birds don't like to land right next to the dike, but they've been zigzagging up and down these cornfields, so I might just zig and then zag this way, and then I shoot them in the face. Ideally, I should have picked the next spot over. And my swamp seat broke, so that's cool. Well, someone in another zone, they shot one and heard it swing, crippled them because they were sky busting. So I just snuck up and got this guy. Look at those curls. Yes. So finished him off, so he's mine. Wind is picking up. Except I'm in a shitty spot again. Now the wind is in my face. Wind is in my face, which is what you don't want. But this was a bigger pocket that they can see easier. And they have seen it because they've actually been coming and checking it out versus over there where they couldn't see shit. So just work on my passing shot, I guess. The middle of them. What? You. Alright, the action, even though this is not ideal, birds are flying all over the place. I just had them come down this row. And they got spooked by the girl next to me shooting. So I'm just gonna leave them where they're at and yeah, play the odds with what we got. We got two, so it's not a total waste today. When I go fucking running after a cripple, two landed in my decoys. Don't know what they are yet. I need to get there. First two of the day that actually decoyed, and I'm not here. This is why, unless you have a dog, don't go chasing unless you've spotted, or wait till shooting time's over. And go look. Those are my fucking birds. You cocksucker. Damn it. Safety. God damn it. Of course, now that it's done with legal shooting light, this guy's gonna go right over top of me, I bet. Watch him. Watch him land right in my decoys.